All right, ever since I was 15, I wanted a Chevelle. Well, 20 years later, I finally got my first one. Let me show you what I got. So this is our 1970 Chevelle Malibu. It's a sport coupe. It's a 136/37 car, originally with a 350. It now has a 383 stroker in it. It's still paired up with the original TH350 transmission, which still works. It works just fine. We'll get into that part a little bit later. And then it's all connected to the back to a 12-bolt rear end, 373 gears, posi traction, and then the exhaust is a 2.5-inch dual Flowmaster exhaust. So, which as you can hear in the video and the walk around, it just sounds awesome. One really neat thing about this car is it was assembled at the Arlington plant. So this car is basically back home. Also, it's a 2828 paint code, and which is the Fathom Blue, which is what it is. And I absolutely love that color. That's my favorite color of Chevelles. So what I wanted to do was make some videos on our Chevelle and what it's actually like to own a classic muscle car like this. So I just wanted to keep a vlog, more for me, but sharing it with you, of just things that I update on it, things that break and I have to fix, or just, you know, cool experiences that we actually get to have with the car. So thank you guys for checking out the first video of this series. And in the next video, we'll dive in a little deeper as to some of the original paperwork that I have and a little bit of history with the car. So look for that video. If you have any questions or comments or anything, just please leave them down below, and we'll see you on the next video.